Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. As you guys know, I was using and we reviewed the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. It was a perfect and great and amazing kind of band from Xiaomi. But well, here we are today. It's 2021 January. It's not released on this month. Definitely it was released last year, but something which is so great, we got it today, and I thought that we could just do the thing. So we got it from my brother Abel here. Shout out to you, bro, and shout out to Vice. The video of today is sponsored by Vice Computers. If you don't know about that, well, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're living in Tanzania, especially in Arusha, something which is so great. You can get your great and amazing laptop for affordable and the budget price with some greatness, kind of amazing kind of processor and RAM and all those kind of ingredients throughout that. You can get some printers, cartridges, you know what I mean, some PlayStations if you would like, some gaming consoles, so much amazing throughout Vice Computers. So the link will be down below in the description. Woo! There we got it. This is the Mi Band 5, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, guys, this is the packaging. It looks so stunning, it looks so amazing, and this is how much they did the thing. The packaging looks the same as Mi Band 4 like. It looks a little bit the same. So we're gonna just open up the box just like this way as normal to see what's inside. We're having our watch here, getting the charging, which I'll get back to it, and voila, there we're having it. This is the tons and tons of paperwork, so you can perhaps read everything. If you'd like, you can read everything. This is how the charger looks like. There's a big game changer compared to the Mi Band 4 charger than the Mi Band 5, which is something which is so awesome. This is a greatness redesign of Mi Band 5 charger, which to my own kind of aspect, I really enjoy this kind of greatness because it's just clipping. It's clipping. Compared to the Mi Band 4, how it was, you just dock it and you charge your watch, which is something which it was great, but this is a more upgraded. Woo, that's great. As you can see, this is the baby, and this is how much it looks like. The form factor of how much the Mi Band 5 looks like, you cannot a little bit kind of compare with Mi Band 4. It's a little bit kind of more adjusted throughout the screen, 1.1 inch, which it's really kind of great. And we're having the same kind of formula, which it was at the back, which it looks this way, definitely. But the charger now, that's the thing which I wanted to test. And see, it's magnetic. It's really magnetic. Let me share with you guys something here. You see, at the moment I'm just bringing it here, the magnet forces me to just keep it. Boop. See, this is something which is so amazing. And it's a bigger change compared to the Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4 was a little bit kind of intimidating on charging. But Mi Band 5, yeah, this is so much amazing. You can see it's just clipped there. So jumping out to how much the shell gets out, you can just remove it this way, just like normal the Mi Band 4 it was. Just push it this way and voila, there we're having it out. So you can toss in different kind of bands if you'd like. Custom bands, which is something which is awesome. Same kind of design throughout the Mi Band 4, even the classical Mi Band 3. The same kind of design, which I really appreciate from Xiaomi, how much they keep the kind of maintaining the same scheme, but more upgraded. So the screen, it's a little bit kind of upgrades throughout the display compared to how much it was from the 4th generation. So guys, this is the menu of the Mi Band 5. Just like that, you can just swipe up. You can see you're having the heart rate here. You are having let me go back. We're having notifications, we're having stress, so you can measure stress, breathing, we are having events, so if you have any events you can see them there. We are having weather, so something which is so great, it tells you the weather. You can see in Arusha there is 29 degrees, which is something which is so great, and there is raining today, so it shows you if there's a level of raining, which is so awesome. You can see tomorrow there will be raining and thunderstorm, which is something which is so great. Another kind of stuff, we can see it's having workouts. Now on the workout section, it has tons and tons of workout. The first workout is called the outdoor running. We are having the treadmill, we are having cycling, we are having indoor cycling, we are having walking, we are having elliptical, and another kind of stuff, rowing machine, yoga, jump rope, and pool swimming, freestyle, which is something which is so great. So I prefer mostly having cycling. So you click cycling, it detects your GPS, and it will start the activity, which is something which is so bravo. Another kind of stuff, let's go to more and see what's happening. Now inside more, there's D&D, do not disturb, if you want to turn it on. But if you want to check out the alarm section, you can check out the alarm if you want to set up alarm, which is so great. You can see the camera, you can control the camera throughout the bend, which is so amazing. Another kind of stuff, we're having music if you want to control music on your phone, which is so great. Another kind of stuff, stopwatch, timer, find device. If you want to find your device, you can see it start beeping out, which I don't want it to find right now, which is so great, but it's a great feature to check it out. Another kind of stuff, we're having the world clock. So if you want to just like check out each kind of country, the timing, if you're traveling, not only traveling, but if you want to know, it's really kind of brilliant to have it here. Another kind of stuff, I forgot something, bend display. If you want to just check out the bend display, going back to bend display, how it looks like. You can see bend display, and you can set your custom bends here. You can see we're having some custom bends. That's my custom bends here, which I had, the one we set up with the image and that kind of stuff. You can see this one which we set up for the first time. You can select that. You can go back to more and have another kind of settings here and see what's happening. So we're having controlling of your brightness, which is so great. You can control the brightness. You can even check out the lock screen if you want. You can turn on the lock screen and set up, but I don't want to lock screen right now. You can see we have bunch of settings which are so great. Factory reset if you want to reboot and see that animation, it's really great to see that, which is perfect for Xiaomi what they did. It's a great kind of feature and it's really kind of incredible. So this is the Mi Band 5. It has tons and tons of features, guys, and it's really kind of amazing kind of Mi Band, to be honest. And this is something which is so great for Xiaomi what they did. And to be honest, you can just remove the band if you have another kind of band, and it's easy just to wrap things up. You just return it this way and you just clip it this way and you're good to go, which is something which is so awesome. So guys, we are actually done with our video, which is something which is so awesome. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing unboxing, reviewing, and see what's going on. And it's a really kind of great and amazing Mi Band 5. It's worth it to check it out. And another kind of stuff for the people who are doing sports, this is a really kind of go-to decent Mi Band to have. The pricing wise, it's a really kind of budget, because for $30 you get this kind of Mi Band on AliExpress, which is something which is so awesome, and you're gonna flex with it and enjoy all those kind of greatness activity out there. So that's what's up from this kind of Mi Band 5. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of video. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. It will be so much amazing. I'd really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.